I'm going to show you how to hide breadcrumbs on WordPress. Breadcrumbs are normally controlled by your theme, not WordPress itself, so there's no universal hide breadcrumbs switch. No plugins, no code. Open your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance in the left sidebar. Before you go further, look at the submenu that appears. If you see Customize, you're on a classic theme. If you see Editor, you're on a block theme. This site shows Customize, so I'll start there. Click Customize. The Customizer opens with a live preview on the right and sections on the left. Scroll through the sections and look for anything named breadcrumbs. Depending on the theme, it may sit under Layout, Blog, Single Post, Page Settings, Content, or Theme Options. On this theme, it's inside Layout, so I'm opening Layout. Inside Layout, there's a breadcrumbs panel. Click it. Now I can see the Show Breadcrumbs toggle, and it's currently on. Before I turn it off, notice what the breadcrumbs actually give you, a clickable path back to the parent page. If you need that, leave it alone. If it's just clutter, click the toggle to turn it off. The preview on the right updates immediately, and the breadcrumb trail above the page title disappears. Click Publish at the top to save. Then open your website in a new browser tab. Check a page and a post to make sure the trail is gone. Now let me switch to a block theme site. I'm opening a different WordPress dashboard. Click Appearance, then click Editor. The site editor opens. In the left panel, click Patterns, then select Template Parts. Look through the list of template parts for something like breadcrumbs, page header, or post header. This theme has a page header template part, so I'll open it. The editor now shows that template part. Click the list view icon in the top toolbar. That opens a list of every block inside the part. Scroll down and look for a breadcrumb block. Some themes call it breadcrumbs, page trail, or navigation trail. This one is labeled breadcrumbs. Before you delete it, know that if this is a global template part, deleting the block removes breadcrumbs from every page that uses the part. So if you only need it hidden on one page, stop here and use page settings instead. For now, I want it gone across the whole site. Select the breadcrumb block. Click the three-dot menu on its toolbar, choose Delete. The breadcrumbs disappear from the preview. Click Save at the top right. Then visit the site and check several pages and posts. If you only want to hide breadcrumbs on certain pages or posts, don't edit a global template part. Go back to Appearance, click Editor. This time click Templates instead of Patterns. Open the specific template you want to change. For normal pages, that's Pages. For blog posts, it's Single Post. I'll open Pages, use List View again, find the breadcrumb block, select it, click the three-dot menu, choose Delete, click Save, then check the affected pages or posts. Sometimes breadcrumbs are not sitting in the main content area. They're inside the header or a page header section, so if you didn't find them in the main template, go back to Appearance, click Editor, open the relevant template or template part. Use List View, look for blocks named breadcrumbs, page header, or post header. Select the appropriate block. Remove it. Click Save. If you can't find a breadcrumb block anywhere, your theme is probably generating the breadcrumbs automatically. Go back to Appearance, click Customize. Look through breadcrumbs, layout, blog, pages, or single post. If you find a breadcrumb visibility setting, turn it off. Click Publish. Refresh the site. If there's no setting at all, check your theme's documentation, because not every theme includes a built-in way to disable breadcrumbs. Some themes also give you page-by-page controls. Go to Pages, then click All Pages. Open the page where you want breadcrumbs hidden. In the settings panel on the right, look for breadcrumbs, page settings, layout, or page header. If you see a breadcrumb option, turn it off. Click Update, visit the page to confirm. Don't delete the page just because it shows breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are a template layer, not content. The same applies to blog posts. Go to Posts, then click All Posts. Open a post. Check the settings for layout, post settings, breadcrumbs, or page header. If your theme provides a breadcrumb toggle, disable it. Click Update. Check the live post. If there's no individual setting, the breadcrumbs are coming from the template or theme settings, so use the customizer or editor route instead. After you've made the change, check the site on mobile too. Some themes hide the breadcrumb trail on desktop, but still show it at smaller widths. Resize the browser or open the site on a phone. If the breadcrumbs show up on mobile, go back to the same theme setting and confirm it's switched off. Now that the breadcrumbs are gone, the thing I'd verify is what else is inside the same header or page header part. If you deleted the breadcrumb block inside a header, open that header in the site editor. Use List View to confirm your logo and navigation menu are still there. That deletion can occasionally take a nearby block with it. And if you ever want the breadcrumbs back, go to the same customizer toggle and switch it on. Or in the site editor, open the template part, click Revisions, and restore the earlier version. If this saved you a search, hit like, subscribe for more WordPress walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same fix.